Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to move or transfer Google Photos to another account. First, open any preferred browser and search for photos.google.com. Once you're on the website, sign into your account using your Google credentials. After signing in, you will see all of your synced images displayed on the screen. Next, you need to select the images you want to transfer. To do this, click on the tick icon that appears on each image. You can select multiple images by holding down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on the images. Once you have selected all the images you want to transfer, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share icon. A window will pop up asking you to enter the email address of the person you want to share these photos with. Enter the email address of the target person and then click on the Send icon. Alternatively, if you prefer to create a shareable link, click on the Create Link icon instead. A new window will appear, prompting you to click on Create Link again. Once the link is created, copy the link and send it to the target person via email, chat, or any other preferred method. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.